Easy. Probably the most common question I get asked is, what is the difference between each kit? Well, for those of you wondering, today's your lucky day. So there's basically four main differences between the LightMode kits, and we can break them down like this. So the main difference is that these kits, they come with glue, and these kits, they do not.
Excuse me, sir. How the f do you expect us to stick that on the helmet then?
Ah, great question, mysterious full-face British helmet guy. It's really quite simple. You ever used a Band-Aid before?
Well, one time I...
Exactly. You just peel and stick the lights to your helmet, like a Band-Aid. Which brings us to our next difference. You can unpeel these lights from your helmet at any time. That doesn't mean you can reuse the lights. Once you unpeel them from your helmet, you won't be able to stick them onto another helmet. These kits are non-removable, but you can customize the look of these kits. The Neutron S Kits have fixed designs because they don't come with EL wire.
Excuse me, sir. What the L is EL wire?
I was just about to get to that. All right? If you could just...
I would... but I will... but...
In case you guys don't already know, this is EL wire. Only the Electron S and Proton S kits come with it. That's why they also come with glue. The Neutron S kits don't come with EL wire, hence no glue needed. All these kits are compatible with any type of motorcycle helmet, so that means full face, half helmets, modular helmets. These ones might be better for modular helmets because these ones are a fixed 40cm length and you need to flip up the chin, so the only place to orient these would be kind of like over the top, crisscross pattern. But these two kits are much more versatile, so you should have absolutely no problems with these two kits on modular helmets. All these kits are water resistant. They come with 1-year warranty, extendable up to 2 years. You can order them on our website, which is www.lightmodehelmets.com. We ship to Canada and to the US for free, and we ship everywhere around the world. So pick one of these up, make your friends jealous, and look badass on the streets. You're done.
Got your keys.